Hey guys, today I'm making a hoodie because I'm homesick from school and I've been wanting to make this hoodie for a really long time. So let's get right into it. I'm using a hoodie that I already have to graph out the fabric for this, and let's just start cutting. First, I'm tracing and cutting the front of the hoodie. Once I finished that, I moved on to tracing and cutting the back. Now I'm repeating the same process for the sleeves, making sure that the fold is on the right side when I cut. These pieces are the waistband, the wrist cuffs, and the hoodie sections. Here I've pinned the sleeves with the right sides together, and I've done the same with the hoodie sections as well. Here I'm sewing the sleeves using my serger, and I chose a red thread to complement the black. I sewed along the outside, leaving a small gap so I could eventually turn it inside out. Here I am removing the excess fabric. This is what it looks like turned inside out. This is what the wrist cuffs and the waistband look like once I've sewed them. And here's them folded and ready to be attached to the hoodie. This is what it looked like once I attached the front and the back together. Then I pinned the sleeves. Now I'm attaching those. Okay, now we're getting into the artsy side of this hoodie. Now what I've chosen to do is cut denim patches out of scrap fabric that I've had from previous projects and draw feminine figures with a red fabric marker. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I'm really glad I got to share this process with you. It was definitely a task. It took me a very long time, but I'm really happy with the final result, and I hope you guys are able to use this video to maybe make some clothing of your own. Make sure to check out my channel for more videos like that, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.